I just created a perfect binary option strategy script that can be used across all binary options platforms. I will be using the IQ option as the main broker. Sit back, relax and learn. IQ option has a new feature where you can create and load trading scripts that you can use as a trader in the technical and entry analysis. With a good logic, you can create a powerful indicator script. I will be sharing some of them on my Telegram channel. The following strategy can be used across all the major binary option brokers like the Pocket Option, Expert Options, Deriv, among others. IQ option scripts can be used to provide entry signals suitable for trading across any binary option broker. The script used in this strategy video is based on candlestick strength, trend momentum, and support and resistance levels. I have used 3 IQ option scripts to create this strategy. If you are unfamiliar on how to install the scripts on the IQ option platform, follow these steps. The first step is downloading the IQ option platform. The download link has been pinned on the comments section below. The second step is downloading the IQ option scripts and putting them in one folder. On the left side of the IQ option platform, click on the indicators icon. Then click on import script. Click open to load the scripts you saved, one by one in no particular order. Click the plus sign to attach the script to the chart. Repeat these steps to install the other scripts. Click on indicators, import script, then press the plus sign to attach to the chart. Very simple steps. No special settings required on these scripts. They are ready to use. All the 3 scripts have been installed. If you want to load the strategy on another chart, simply open another tab on the IQ option platform. The strategy will automatically load. You can save the template for future use. The IQ option candlestick trend momentum script shows candlestick trend strength using color-coded candlesticks. The green candlesticks indicate a bullish trend. The red candlesticks indicate a bearish trend, and the grey candlesticks indicate a neutral trend. I call it the grey zone. The IQ option signal script is our entry indicator. It gives signals based on candlestick engulfing momentum. The support and resistance script shows previous highs and lows in the market. The entry logic is like this. Wait until you get the IQ signal on a green candlestick for a buy option, or get the IQ signal on a red candlestick for a sell option. Ignore the IQ signals that appear on a grey candlestick. It is not a valid trade. I will be finding trade setups for 5 minutes expiry. The scripts have no sound alerts yet, so you have to stay on the chart to catch a setup. First trade setup on GBP USD. The IQ signal appeared on a green candlestick and price has broken the previous high. This is a valid trade setup. Set the trade duration to 5 minutes and execute a higher option trade type. You should be fast in executing a trade and pick it right at the start of a new candle. You can add more trades to cover up for the missed perfect entry. First trade setup running. 5 minutes later, the trades closed in profit. That was a good run. A few minutes later, a new setup is forming on USD against the yen currency. The IQ signal appeared on a bullish candlestick, but price did not really break past the previous high. It is at a resistance level. However, all other conditions have been met. I will risk a small stake and leverage my entry. For a perfect buy entry, wait until price breaks above the previous high. That is by a candlestick closing above this red line. Observe how that trade played out. I could have lost if I did not leverage my trade. I won the trades on a candlestick pullback. Always follow the rules of the system to achieve the best results. You can split your screen if you are waiting for signals on different markets. Right now, I am monitoring these 4 markets, and there seems to be a setup forming on euro against the dollar asset. IQ signal appears on a green candlestick, and the price breaks above the previous high. This is the kind of setup that has a high probability of winning, but not always. All conditions have been met in this setup. Trade executed. Watch how it plays out. Unfortunately, I missed that one and lost. That is just to show you that this trading strategy is not 100% accurate, but with good risk management you can have an edge on the option market. I am talking about 70% and above depending on the market conditions. Let me wait for another setup and see if I can recover the loss. After experiencing a loss, you can choose to apply martingale on your next trade or not. With this strategy, I recommend not using the martingale because the strategy has more win rate if applied correctly. Another signal is forming on the euro against the dollar asset. Although price did not break the previous high, it is still a valid trade. And also the market is on an uptrend on the higher time frame. I set the trade duration to 5 minutes and execute the trade at the beginning of the next candle, and I leave it all to the gods. No martingale applied. Watch and see how it performs. The trade is running smoothly. I have not put a leverage on this particular trade because it was a recovery trade. And finally the gods are on my side and the trade closed in profit. I had taken 2 trades, one on euro against the dollar and the other on pound against the dollar, and they both closed in the money. The trade results look promising. After some few minutes of waiting, a sell signal appeared on the euro against the dollar asset. It has a very solid red candlestick. And also price broke through the previous low, making it a high probability trade. After confirming the conditions, I set the trade duration to 5 minutes expiry, and I execute the trade on the next candle, and I hold my breath. So let's wait and see if the price will dive deeper. But as long as you are following the strategy, don't worry too much. The trade really teased me, but finally it closed in profit, making that 4 wins in a row since our last loss. That is very good progress. Like I had stated at the beginning of this video, one can use the signals generated on the IQ option platform and take trades on another binary option broker. In this example, I'll be using the Pocket option platform. Open both platforms side by side for efficiency. Looks like a sell signal is forming on the pound against the yen currency. The IQ signal appeared on a red candlestick and price has created a new low, meaning all the conditions have been met for a sell entry. Open and set the charts to 5 minutes expiry on both platforms. Trade executed at the next candlestick. Let's wait for the outcome. The trade is running on both IQ option and Pocket option platforms. This is a very good trade setup. The IQ signal is indicating a bearish trend. It has displayed 3 consecutive sell signals. This shows price is strong on the downside. And my bet was correct. The strategy delivered and the trade closed in profit. 5 wins in a row now in the trade results, and a win also on the Pocket option platform. I am loving this strategy, especially on high volatility market sessions. The setups have a very high win rate. Let me find one last trade that I can take and call it a day. I always try to take high quality setups only, compared to taking many trades. A high probability buy trade is forming on euro against the pound currency. The IQ signal has appeared on a bullish candle and price has broken the previous high. That is a very solid setup. Prepare the charts for a 5 minutes buy option on both IQ option and Pocket option platforms. I executed the trade immediately at the open of the next candlestick on both platforms. I had to leverage my trade on IQ option platform because the candlestick was not going in my direction. Price pulled back at the last seconds and my IQ option trades closed in profit. But on Pocket option, I lost. I missed the entry point by a very small margin. The spread might have contributed to the loss. Spread is different on both platforms, so the entry point will differ, no matter your speed and accuracy. So be on the watch out for that even with other platforms. It is a simple yet very powerful strategy. The entry points are very precise and the accuracy ranges from 70% and above. If one can practice enough, he or she can master how to find high probability setups. Don't overtrade and apply reasonable risk management, and your results will look like mine. Try the system and leave your feedback on the comment section. This is a free strategy that is available to everyone for testing. After extensive research, we realized that 90% of traders lack the necessary knowledge and confidence in trading using the trading tools provided. That is why I opened the Ultimate Trading School, where we offer training and mentorship using our best trading tools. At the school, you get access to daily trading setups using the AMD trading system. I will be offering weekly education via Zoom meetings. You also get access to top derived binary bots with settings and strategies. Once you join, I will add you to a discussion group where you get to interact with like-minded traders for support and growth. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your trading skills and confidence. We hope to see you there. That is it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you'd like more binary option strategies. Share it to your family and friends if you found it helpful. You know, sharing is caring. And finally, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be always notified whenever I post new content. See you soon on my next live or video. I am out. Peace.